Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys I am doing a what fits in my mini Rowan. I just got this one guys. I unboxed it with you guys. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it down below guys, but I love her and I want to use her already. She's so cute, right? So you guys were asking me what fits inside, and honestly I do too because I just got it and we're gonna find out right now because guys I am about to use her and I'm gonna fill her up. So let's begin. By the way guys, I know it's Black Friday deals right now and I believe this one is on sale for like 70 something bucks guys. And also that little mini wallet I got, it was on sale for like $33 guys. Run and go get it if you have not. She is so adorable. Oh my gosh. But yes, okay, let's see what fits inside. So I'm gonna begin by opening her up, which I love this zipper guys because it opens wide. Not like the regular Speedies, like Louis Vuitton Speedies, that they just open on the top. This opens wide. That is a plus, guys. Look at all this space. She's huge for a mini. And she does have those two compartments right there. They're very, very spacious, must I say. Look at that. Okay. So, look at all the space. First thing I'm putting in here is tissues guys. I have kiddos and they get dirty all the time and they need tissues, so of course I have to have tissues. Guys, keep in mind this is a mom bag, okay? Just a heads up. So I put it in there. They're just hanging out because it's the first thing in here. Still no space taken up, okay? I like to put that all the way in the back. Next thing I have is my Louis Vuitton little mini pouch from the 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽 set. Guys, I use this all the freaking time. I love the 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽 sets. I have two sets, so I use them all the time. I have band-aids in here because, you know, again, kids always need band-aids. And then I do have like YouTube stickers for my channel, my hubby's channel. You know, sometimes people ask and then you're like, I have a sticker right here, you know, look me up. But yeah, this little pouch to keep things separate. Just gonna throw it in there. Again, still a lot of space. I have the little mini wallet guys that I did say I was going to use as a wallet for this bag. I have some cards in there and nothing else. I still have a lot of space. I'm probably going to use this to actually, you know, keep my receipts organized when I go to the store because I'm one of those people that just grabs the receipt and throw it in the bag, you know. But I'm going to try to be more organized now and maybe use this space to put the receipts. I'm not a person that carries cash all the time. So yeah, it's pretty empty right now, but I'm pretty sure it's going to end up filling up. You know what I can do? Put my coupons, you know, those Bath and Body Works coupons, those Hot Topic, Box Lunch, who else? Victoria's Secret. Yes, my coupons are going in here. I'll do that later. So I'm going to put her in here. Look at that. Goes in so easily. This is how it's looking so far. Look at all that space still. So much space. I was trying to fit my medium pouch from the 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽 set in here, and it does fit, but when I put it in here, it scrapes a lot with the zipper. And I was like, ooh, I don't want it to get messed up. So I was like, you know what? I'll just leave this out. It does fit though, if you guys are wondering. Next, I'm going to put a little hair tie. I love to have my hair up. I'm going to put it in the little side pockets right there. Just a hair tie. I always use them. My hand sanitizer. I love this one. I'm going to keep this forever. I'm going to be refilling it if I have to. I've seen videos on YouTube that they like refill them. So I was like, ooh, I can use this forever. I'm going to put this in here as well. Look at that. I have my phone charger. I keep this always with me. I love that it takes up no space whatsoever. Look at that. My microphones that I use and take with me everywhere just in case I do want to record something. I keep them with me at all times. Look at that. Some chapstick. I'm just going to throw it in there. I'm showing you guys every time I put something in there. I'm showing it to you guys so you guys can see how it looks in there. Some lotion. I always forget every time I go to Bath and Body Works. I always forget to buy the smaller ones so I can put them in like my smaller purses because I love to carry lotion, you know, after washing your hands all the time. If you're out, my family and I, we love to go to theme parks, so your hands get ashy, you know what I mean? So I keep forgetting to buy the smaller ones. I need to buy some. But for now, this. And it does fit up. Look at that. Perfect. Awesome. Look at that. I think that's about it. Oh, my keys. My keys are going to fit in there, I know for sure. That's like the last thing I throw in there because, you know, when you're out, that's the first thing I'm going to be grabbing and putting back in. So I know my keys will fit in here. Also, glasses. I know a lot of you guys like to carry glasses. I usually always forget them, but I just want to show you guys that they do fit, okay? I think I might have to put the lotion down, like laying down, so they do fit. But glasses do fit, guys, and I do use those big ass, like bumblebee glasses, okay? Just so you guys can get an idea. It's a little hard to put them in here, but they do fit. Look, you see? I have my glasses in there. It's the last thing I put in there. But it does close. I'm going to take them out. And yeah, I think that's about it. Look at that. Lotion, chapstick. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't need to pack any makeup like that. My charger, my microphones, my wallet, a little pouch with things in it, some tissues. And I do always throw candy in here. You know, for the kiddos, But yeah, that's about it. Look at that. And I can even open it wide so you guys can see what's in there, you know? Decent mom bag. On the go. I'm gonna close it. Oh, I feel like the lotion gave it a little bad shape. I think I might lay it down. Yeah, it's the lotion. I'm gonna lay her down. Once I get one of those little smaller lotions, it'll be better. But yeah, look at that. And I still have space to spare, guys. So yeah, now you guys have an idea of what fits in this mini Rowan. It fits a lot, guys, and I honestly could put even more stuff in here. That's basically what I use on the daily basis. So that's all I need, but there is a lot of space still left in there. So it's a good to go, guys. Run and go get it before it sells out, because I'm pretty sure if it hasn't sold out by the time I put this video, it's going to, especially right now for that Black Friday sale. Run and go get it. I'll link it down below if it's still in stock. But yeah, guys, I love this little baggie. She's so cute. She is so in right now for fall, guys. So cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a little mini Rowan, let me know what you think about it. Do you love it? And if you're thinking about getting one, let me know too. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. If you already liked and subscribed, thank you so much. Go check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.